So guys, let's start. I'm going to cook this one. And how's the balot in Europe? Oh yeah, it's still the same. It has a soap. Look. Perfect me. Oh yeah, it's really still the same. It has water on it inside. Oh, perfect me. Yeah. First, you have to open like that and get it like that. Oh, it's too hot. And next, you're going to put salt. And I have vinegar here with spicy. No, with chili spicy. Sorry, tao lang nagkamali. So I'm going to put sugar now. No, sugar, not vinegar. Perfect me.
I don't kiss you anymore.
Oh, it's too good. It's really the same. I thought it would be like Philippine balot, so but wow, it stays super the same. And I show you. Oh, this is the perfect how to say duck malo. It's small. It's not just like with feeders with, I don't like it with feeders. This one is just a little baby. We just call it baby. Oh, yummy. Kain. With vinegar again. Alam nyo ba guys, yung vinegar ko, binili ko to sa Asia Grand. Ang mahal. Grabe, sa atin pa, 25 peso lang to. Dito, 100 kron. And it costs like 250 peso. Perfect meat, it's so good. Look.